She's the female warrior avenging the murder of her family. Wilo Abdi is the TikTok-loving single mum and an elite Somali soldier. Her target is Al-Shabaab, one of the world's most dangerous militant groups. And because she's a woman breaking down taboos in Somalia, Al-Shabaab is after her too. The hunt is on in Somalia's desert. 60 miles northwest of Mogadishu, elite special forces known as Danab are tracking Al-Shabaab fighters. Being a member of Danab is one of the most dangerous jobs in Somalia. Wilo's own desire for revenge is driven by the murder of her father by Al-Shabaab when she was a teenager. Then her brother was killed by the group. And 4 years ago, her husband and young son died in an Al-Shabaab bombing. For more than a decade, Al-Shabaab has carried out hundreds of violent attacks across Somalia and the Horn of Africa. In 2013, they stormed Nairobi's Westgate shopping centre. And 4 years later, more than 500 were killed in a car bomb in Mogadishu, Somalia's worst terrorist atrocity. Wilo's been in the army for more than a decade. She's one of just 20 women based at Ballydogley camp, going through the same training as the men. They spend months on base together. The women are breaking down stereotypes in Somalia, but that doesn't mean they get respect from the male soldiers. هذا عمل إنه قرأ وقعته أفك قراعة. هذا عمل إنه أساقط إنه سيجومي سنة ودي نايا أنت كلاحة أي. عاد واي أسكرته أسكر الله أسكر عاد حاول معك أسكري ولا الكيو يعني أسكر دو أملي إن أنا قاعد دمر هاي أنا دمر أسكم ملايا. صوبته أنا قرية وتا دجال أو صعدة هدو لبعته البال مرايا. واللي بالسنة مركز قرية قاعدنا يبوشك بقول كسويله إلى دجال تمسورد أكتر سنة راعة. For new recruit Fartoon, her dream of joining the army has come at a cost. The end of her marriage. She's now raising her baby alone.
واحد سومالي محيا مسينا عيدنا دا يسكير نقطة وإنا شرموطة تاهي جير هدنا ساسيتا واسيج علينا وإنا عيدا نقطة سيغمي وقلينا لكن أنا واسكيج علينا عيدا نقطة
مرخوحة الغفرة وعيدا نقطة.
The female soldiers play an important part of Danab. Somalia is one of the most dangerous countries in the world to be a woman. Rape and sexual violence is the reality here. Their presence on the front line calms the fears of the local women. They make sure everyone, including their male colleagues, don't cross the line.
المهنية والكناتين صح ليه إن نفتن ديجني دعان كأننا أهرنا رنا شعب الصومالي وماشان جو يكون كلا بدنا جو ومال والبيجوان والسلام شعبك عندما الحوق ضلك الصومالي محل إسكعلش.
Wilo gives her tens of thousands of followers online a glimpse into her life on base. But that also makes her a high-value target. In 2019, Al-Shabaab assassinated Major Faduma Ali,
one of Somalia's highest-ranking female soldiers. She was killed alongside her soldier husband, leaving behind 9 children. The near misses and the assassination attempts make Wilo think about her own sacrifices.
caruurteeda bisa axaysan marka inta imaado shaqada waa qabanaa laakiin meel ay xanuunaysa caruurta ka walwala marwalba.
Her 5 children are in Mogadishu. She only sees them when she can take leave. Her children also have to fight the shame of having a single mum in the army.
Walu diraa cunug waxa la hooyada noocaas waa cunug dhactada laga gelina. Waa luule ilmaha saas waa hooyada qof aan waa saan waa iyadoo la war xumeynaya arkay ciyaalkaaga. Le hooyada shaqada iska dhaafan dhahdii ilmaha weena noqonaysiin.
Mogadishu looks peaceful and Wilo has a chance to relax for the first time in months. But in Mogadishu she doesn't have the safety of the base. Assassinations are almost daily here. Wilo knows that Al-Shabaab are after her.
Dhimashada aan maqlaysid waa maqaadir. Marka baxo hadda oo shaqada aad waa la dardaarmaa. Waxa laga yaabaa inaan soo laaban. Ma way qaarab ooynayaan be ilmihii garka iyagu ooynayaan marka tagaa wala. Hooyo maxaa noo leedahay sidaas oo leeyahay. Waxa adduunyo waay. Waxa laga yaabaa inaan qof maanta nool bari ma nool.
30 years of war have created a fragile country and a generational cycle of killing and revenge. So will Wilo ever be able to put down her gun?
dagaalku wuu socdaa waa lagu qarxina waa lagu dilaa waa laga soo horjeeda Soomaaliya dhan la baabi'inaya wax aan aarsada ma jirto sasaanay loo baabu'oya